Hello and welcome to this video about confidentializing microdata. When disseminating results from a statistical collection, whether it be a census, register or sample survey, there is always the issue of protecting respondents' privacy, which is what this presentation covers. This is the second in a series of space-time research presentations that focus on microdata dissemination, and it's primarily for providers of official statistics who have to deal with confidentializing results when publishing outputs. And now, for all the details, here's John Ellenberger, Vice President Statistical Solutions at Space-Time Research.
Thanks, Sonia, and welcome everyone. We'll start off by looking at some of the possible methods to confidentialise results from a collection and then move on to the superstar solutions. One common method is to pre-aggregate all outputs. This makes it possible to check all the results to ensure they are confidential. This solution does mean, however, that the data provided by the agency is limited to canned outputs, and the confidentiality process can be time-consuming and prone to error. Another option is to anonymise the underlying unit records in such a way that the respondent cannot be identified. The issue with this method is that the results will always be based on falsified data. Both of these methods involve changing the base data in some way. The next set of options provides a framework for letting users access the full and accurate results, but in a way that protects respondent privacy. The first step is to ensure that authenticated users only can access the system. This greatly reduces the risk associated with online microdata access. The next step is to put in place business rules that prohibit the creation of tables that are excessively detailed or prone to low numbers. Rules such as restricting the combination of variables that can be used in a tabulation, or the geographic level at which detailed classifications can be used, can also be set up. Once the user has been authenticated and the query they wish to create has passed the business rule filters, then the raw results need to be confidentialized. This is the most complex part of the system and the step where, ultimately, privacy is protected. Looking at the confidentiality methods in more detail, the superstar system provides a number of out-of-the-box methods to confidentialize the results, such as disturbance, using random rounding or perturbation methods. Various methods are also available to suppress or conceal cells. Third-party confidentiality systems, such as Tau Argus, can be integrated within the system. In the case of Tau Argus, this means methods such as consequential suppression can be used. The superstar system has a data control API that agencies can connect to and plug in their own routines. This is what the Australian Bureau of Statistics has done with their perturbation and additivity routines. Finally, the superstar system provides auditing information so user activity can be monitored to check for any attempts to breach the confidentiality system and to refine the services offered. As you can see, there are many parts to protecting privacy and many issues to consider. At Space-Time Research, we have been developing solutions to address these issues, and I look forward to discussing how we might be able to help your organisation disseminate data more securely.
Thank you, John. That concludes this video. We hope it has been a useful introduction into the confidentiality solutions offered by Space-Time Research. We appreciate the complexity and sensitivity of privacy protection and would be happy to discuss how we might assist your organisation to provide its users with better, more secure access to your data. Here are our contact details. We also welcome you to watch our follow-on video that demonstrates the confidentiality methods in action. It shows examples of live applications so you can see how the methods have been implemented. Finally, for even more details about confidentiality rules, you can download the related solution papers from our website. Thank you for watching.